Hailuo H3 just dropped. Not only can this AI video model produce Hollywood level quality, it is also 100% uncensored and open source. That means that you can use it to create anything you want. That includes sitcom crossovers or anything else that comes to mind. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the amazing things this AI video model can do, and I'm going to show you how you can use it 100% for free right now. This is one of the funnest videos I've made in months. You're not going to want to miss this. Let's jump right in. So let's go through some of the examples of H3. When I saw this drop on Twitter or X, it absolutely blew my mind. I've been using Seed Dance for months and months and months. I was one of the first people to get access to Seed Dance a couple months back in like February. And this is like the Seed Dance moment, but for open source video. So not only can you produce insanely high quality video like Seed Dance can do, but it's open source and it's uncensored, which means you can literally use this to create whatever you want. So this is going to be a ton of fun, and a lot of people are doing some cool stuff. So here's one of the first videos that caught my eye. This guy generated this clip of Arnold Schwarzenegger here in this sort of Terminator style with the cigar and everything, looking into the, with the shotgun and everything. And this was generated on his 5090 in a few minutes from nothing but a text prompt. That is absolutely insane to me. So you got a text prompt to basically just ask for Arnold Schwarzenegger as the Terminator. On his local PC, you can do this offline, turn off the internet connection and have a consumer brand PC and create Hollywood level clips like this, uncensored. So let's go through a few more. The one that's getting really popular right now is The Office. So this is one of the other clips that caught my eye. When I saw this clip, I was like, okay, I have to start using this right now. And I figured out how to use it. So this was, again, a one shot, one prompt. The prompt was Jim and Dwight from The Office discuss autonomous coding agents.
So this autonomous agent just writes the code for you?
False. A shroot never surrenders his cognitive dominance to an algorithm.
So when I saw that, I was like, yeah, I got to get my hands on this right away. Here's a few more Office style clips.
Don't be sad, just have some fun.
So here's one that I made, another Office style clip. This is Trump coming in to meet Michael Scott. I actually did this with Seed Dance when Seed Dance was uncensored. In that little tiny moment of time when Seed Dance was uncensored, I did something similar then, but I'll show you the one I made here with H3.
It's such an honor. We're going to make this office great again.
It should be me.
It's just so funny to me because like this is like an episode of I could make this episode of The Office. I could, if I had the time, I could sit here and I could create a whole episode of The Office with Trump and Michael Scott and Dwight and come up with a whole script and actually just create an episode of The Office for free on my computer. It's just totally mind-blowing. Here's another one that I did. I did a little mix over of Walter White and Larry David, which is kind of funny here.
Get hot in here. This trailer can't have proper air conditioning. I mean, this is ridiculous.
So the voice wasn't perfect there. The characters are obviously perfect. Here's another one. Larry David walking in to Jerry Seinfeld's apartment here.
Jerry, I'm the real George Costanza.
And I'm going to show you how I made all of this, by the way. So here's another one I thought was kind of funny.
Told you to sit down. Same tone. You told me.
George and Jerry, and then you'll see what happens here.
You told me to calm down. I told you to sit down. Same tone. I am perfectly calm. So you're not sitting down? You told me to calm.
So, I mean, it's just whatever comes to mind you can do now. There's a ton of these here. Darth Vader walks in on Friends. He does something not nice to Ross here, so I'm going to skip that. George Costanza serving Will Smith spaghetti. I mean, you can go on and on and on, right? We're not going to watch all these clips. But yeah, it's really incredible. So let me show you the few ways that you can use it right now. I'm going to show you the easy way, and then I'm going to show you the free way that you can do it on your PC. You are going to need a good PC, obviously, but I'll show you how to do that as well. So The easiest way to go in terms of using this is going to be just going to hailuo.video. I'll put a link to this in the description. This is obviously not free if you use their website. Why? Because they have to use their computers and their servers, etc. So you're basically paying to like use their servers online. So I'll show you. Here was my my prompt here: 15-second video script, Trump versus Michael Jackson, dance competition style. I put this whole script here for a 15-second clip. I also put reference images of Michael Jackson and Donald Trump. I tried it without the reference images, and it just does not work as well. So let me show you what this looks like. Just kind of funny to me. But yeah, I mean, hailuo.video, you can just come here, sign up for an account. There's really cheap accounts. I think you can get an account for like 10 bucks a month. And you can start making videos right here. Just make sure you're using H3. Just came out, and you can see H3 is live, and you can start using it right away. Now, I also used Higgsfield. I have a Higgsfield account already. I think it's probably a little bit cheaper to just go with Hailuo Video directly. I haven't done the price comparison, but I would imagine it's probably a little bit cheaper getting it from the source directly. But I have been using Higgsfield as well, just because Higgsfield has some other stuff like being able to change voices. Like for the Larry David one, for example, his voice didn't come out great on one of these. And like on this one, the voice didn't come out great. So I did a change voice. You can see Higgsfield gives you that ability. You can change the voice. So I did that, and I got his voice a little bit better. So you could do stuff like that as well with Higgsfield. So, you know, pick whichever one you want. This is going to be live on a bunch of different video platforms right now. But if you want to use it for free, the best way to do this is to go to comfy.org, download Comfy UI, and set it up on your PC. Now, once you set it up on your PC, it's 100% free. Again, you will need a good PC, right? Like I would recommend you have at least a 5070, or I mean, I guess a 4090, 4080, 5070, 5080, 5090 RTX cards. Like that's what you're going to want. You're going to want at least a high tier video card. This computer I'm using right now for this video has a 3070. I have another PC with a 5090 that I use to create videos. That it worked much faster, obviously. I haven't even tried it with the 3070 PC. I just know it's going to take forever. But with a 5090, I was able to create a 15-second clip in about 7 to 8 minutes. I was able to create like a 5-minute clip in about 4 minutes. So it's actually not that long, right? And you basically pay for the PC once, and then you can create as many videos as you want for free. And obviously you can use that PC for gaming and whatever else, right? And to do a bunch of other things, work, etc. So that's how you do it for free pretty much. But what I'm doing here, I'm on comfy.org. So Comfy, again, you can download the software and run this locally, which is going to look exactly like this, or they have a cloud option. So if I just go to comfy.org, I'll show you really quick what that looks like. So you have the desktop version here, right? And if I go try free, they have a cloud option as well, right? So they have a cloud option that runs in the cloud, obviously that runs on a website, or you could run it locally as well. And again, it's just basically you're paying to use their servers and their GPUs, right, to run these models, right? And you know, with Comfy, it's pretty cool because you can run a ton of different things. So if I click on templates down here, and if I was running this locally, for example, you can see we have the new H3 models, right? Image to video, reference to video, text to video. We have the LTX models. And so if I click on this reference to video, which I have here, you can see it's the whole node set up and everything here. And I can go ahead and start using this, right? So if I wanted to use this, it explains how this works. Here's the workflow, right? You have reference images, up to 9 reference images, 3 reference videos. So you can actually put reference videos. And you can actually put audio clips as well. So if you wanted to get the voices perfect, you could put the audio clips as well. Sometimes it mixes it up. And then you can go ahead and add those here, load those clips up. So you can see there's 2 reference images loaded here. You can see the prompt down below here. And if I hit run, you can see on this account, I have, I think this is a free account. I think they give you 5 credits or 5 runs specifically. So they say that with $16 a month, you can generate 385-second videos. That's actually really, really good. So this might be your cheapest way to run the model, actually, online if you didn't want to spend the money on a computer. And so yeah, basically put your reference images, put your prompt right here. this float duration, this is the actual like how many seconds you want it to be, right? So this is a 5-second video. I can make it up to 15 seconds. Then I can go ahead and run it here. And once it's run, you can see that I have like a finished video here. I'll show you what this looks like.
Get ready to meet your maker.
And it works really, really well for cartoons also. So yeah, I mean, the possibilities are endless here with H3, but it is 100% uncensored and open source too. So obviously you saw all the sitcom stuff you can do because it's uncensored, but your imagination can go to a lot of different places with how uncensored this is. And yes, I have seen some pretty wild things that people have done with this model, some NSFWs type stuff, but that's up to you. But I just think it's really cool that you can use this model to produce things with actual actors in it, and stuff from your favorite TV shows and mix all that stuff together. And also like, it doesn't censor gore either. I've seen a lot of blood and gore kind of things, right? Which if I'm trying to make a movie and there's a violent scene that I have in my head, right? I don't want the model to censor that. I'm not a child, right? I should be able to create video like that. And this model is totally uncensored in that way. So this might be the best video model I've ever used. And the fact that it's 100% open source and I can run it for free, and I just showed you how to do that, should get you pretty excited if you're into filmmaking, and if you're into creating your own content without restrictions. So have fun with it. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment. Let me know if you tried the model. Let me know if you've used it. I'd love to hear what you have to say. And if you like this video, please give it a like. It helps me out a lot. And subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this.